A collective sigh of relief among investors and traders as Dubai World announced it's in talks to restructure $26 billion in debt. Stocks rose as the worries over a possible default faded for now. And for more details, let's go to Deborah Kostroun at the NYSE. Deborah?
Thanks a lot, Pim. Yes, and a lot of traders talking about the fact that this Dubai situation may be getting a little bit better, and that eased a lot of concerns, especially late in the day. And in fact, in the final hour of trading, that concern easing over a possible default by Dubai World. This after they said they were in constructive initial talks with banks to restructure about $26 billion in debt. And with that easing concern, we did see the financials as the biggest gainers in the S&P, because remember, in Friday's abbreviated trading session, those financials really taking it on the chin with this news. Stocks like Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, and JP Chase all rising on the day. And of course, when the news broke on Friday, it was really kind of thought that the European banks would have more exposure to Dubai. We did see HSBC, however, gaining on the day, but still RBS still closing lower on the day, along with some other European banks. We did see a good move in the last hour of trading and moving higher, but all day long there was this lingering concern about holiday sales disappointing investors, and we saw stocks like Target and Macy's losing after the National Retail Federation saying that the average shopper spent less than last year over the Thanksgiving weekend. And in fact, all these consumer shares were the biggest drags on the S&P 500 on the day. Moving over to crude oil, we saw crude oil for January increasing by $1.23, settling out the New York session $77.28 a barrel. This was after a British yacht crew was seized by Iran, that leading some of the energy stocks higher. Also, the Institute for Supply Management Chicago saying today that its business barometer increased to 56.1. That's the highest level since August of 2008. And of course, remember that readings over 50 indicate a strengthening economy. That's certainly helping out crude oil to move higher. That's it from here at the New York Stock Exchange. Pim, now back to you in the studio.
Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun reporting.